piston, ring and gap. So got to be tolerance between 0.3 of a mil to 4.5. So I had, the widest was 4.6. Maximum you can go is 1 mil. So that's all good. And I've put the rings on all the others except this one. It's pretty simple. This band at the bottom is your oil ring. That feeds in. So it's up butt. Flush. This one here, from what I can tell, doesn't matter which way it goes, no up and downs. Now these are all slightly oily, so it helps slide. Just take your time, of course, and you've got to make sure that this ring seats over the oil band. Like that. If you have a look up in, you probably can't see that well, but it's all sits nicely inside. When the ring compressor goes on, it will squash the two ends together, push the band. Oh, and then cut yourself. Ooh. Another video I mentioned, watch the skirts here, they're sharp as I cut you open. So I'll put the second top ring, and they've got marks. Go through your manual and what's on the packaging. Those marks there, from what I can tell, have to face up. So I just work the back on first, taking my time. Try and get one end if I can without cutting myself. Whoop, past the first one normally. Alright. Try and get that one. Yeah. And just gently work it the other end in. And these gaps, you've got to have them turned away from each other. In your manual it shows you the specs, what they're supposed to be. It's like a third, a third and a third. .45 and whatever. Top ring, same thing, there's a T there, that must face up. So we've got one there, a gap around there with that one, and we'll turn this one around to here, so they're spaced unevenly. Done. That's the rear seal fitted. Crank is in, of course. That's done after the crank's put in. Crank spins nicely. And gap in the rings. And they're within spec. It's really good. And fitting the rings on the pistons. So I've done one and about to finish the others, and then I can put the pistons in. Okay, piston's about to go in. Crank has to be bottom dead centre for cylinder 1. So then, before we put the ring compressor on, just got to put some oil inside there, drop a bit of oil there. Make sure it's all on the skirt. Ring compressor, and then ring compressor goes on. Get our Allen key, and we try not to drop it. So bing bada boom. So that was when you got oil on your fingers. And just checking it's all coming together nicely. Okay. I want to leave it up a little bit. It's about there. Pretty good. A little bit tighter. And as you're tightening it, you've got to have it as square as you can get it. Now we can let go of that and assess what's going on. And that's pretty snug. Okay. So, the front of the piston is marked. It's got an arrow, so it's to go in that way. Plenty of oil even on the back of your hand, get it all around. Every bit of the wall, get oil on it. Okay, very good. The excess oil off my hands. Okay, make sure I've got arrows pointing forward. I'll put some lithium grease on the bearings if I can find it. That's it there, lithium grease. It's supposed to have moly in it. I think some people just use oil. So I've put that on the new bearing. Yep, that's forward, checking. You gotta try not to, you're supposed to put some rubber caps on, it's a hose on there. To there. And got my mallet here somewhere, I can tap, tap, tap ever so gently. That should hold. And that's nice and square. Should be good. Check again. Nicely clear. Bada bing, bada boom. One is in. That's very good. Just awkward. So let's see if I can spin it around. And very good. Very good. I'm going to back that out a bit. Put a bit of oil. Sure the bearing didn't pop off or anything, that's good. Oh, you fall on the ground. And it's going to get a little bit to run in behind there. Got the lithium grease on there as well on the other side. A little bit more won't hurt. And number one cap. So I've got previously I marked punch hole, pinhole, one there, which is facing forward. A little bit of the hair there. They've got to go on quite square. That's seated up the top nicely. Down the bottom. Can't get my fingernail in there. Beautiful. the nuts. Now, can do the rest.